What is stress? Stress is your body's response to the daily events that occur in your life. Everyone experiences stress. Stress can be positive and motivate women to achieve notable goals, but stress can also be negative and destructive, taking its toll in many life areas. When stress becomes chronic or excessive, it becomes harder to adapt and cope. In today's video, we will look at top 10 causes of stress. Make sure you stick till the end of the video to know all about stress and its causes. Hi, I am Firdaus Mudassir and welcome to my channel. Before we start with the top 10 causes of stress, let's understand how stress affects your body. Stress and your body. During stress, hormones including adrenaline and cortisol flood the body, resulting in 1. An increased need for oxygen, 2. Increased heart rate and blood pressure, 3. Constricted blood vessels in the skin, 4. Tensed muscles, 5. Increased blood sugar levels, 6. Increased clotting ability of the blood, 7. Spilling of stored fat from the cells into the bloodstream, and 8. Constriction of bowel and intestinal muscles. All this can strain your heart and artery linings. In fact, if you already have coronary heart disease, stress may lead to chest pain called angina. Plus, the increased tendency for blood to clot during stress may lead to clot in your coronary arteries, causing a heart attack. Other physical dangers of stress include stomach problems as your bowel and intestinal muscles contract. Let's have a look at depression and anxiety caused due to stress. While stress doesn't cause these mental illnesses, it can activate them in people who may already be prone to them. Stress can also cause what has been termed as toxic weight gain. Cortisol, an hormone released when you're under stress, is an appetite trigger. That's why so many women eat more and less than healthy food when under a lot of stress. Too much stress can also affect your immune system, weakening it and making you more susceptible to cold, cough, and infections. Other symptoms of stress include muscular tension, headaches, gastrointestinal illnesses, and sleeping more or less than normal. Now, let's talk about the causes of stress. Stress is usually caused by too much pressure being put on us by others, or in some cases by our own selves. And if stress is left unchecked, it can lead to an inability to function effectively and cope under pressure. Here are some of the most common causes of stress with solutions and strategies on how to overcome them. So make sure you stick till the end of this video to know all about stress. Number one cause for stress is not having enough time. Frequently, you can be running around all day trying to balance your tasks at work and at home, yet still not manage to tick everything off your list. Sometimes this can be due to the demands that are placed upon you being unrealistic, but often it simply comes down to poor time management and not setting your priorities. Second is unhealthy lifestyle. While some people might adopt an unhealthy lifestyle due to lack of time, for example, by turning to fast food because they haven't time to eat properly, others may have an unhealthy lifestyle because they are already stressed, for example, by turning to smoking as coping mechanisms. Whatever the reason, an unhealthy lifestyle can reduce your ability to cope with stress, and in some circumstances, it may actually increase your stress levels. The third cause on the list is taking on too much. You may have a tendency to take on too much both at work and in your home life, perhaps because you don't want to let people down. If you do this, however, it will frequently lead you to stressing about having too much to do and not managing to achieve everything you have taken on. Trying to take too much on will also mean you won't be able to give what you do your best. Fourth on our list is conflicts in the workplace or at home. If relationships are strained at home or in the workplace, then it's more than likely that you'll be stressed about them. Conflicts may occur due to disagreements about how things should be done, and so you might feel that you have to stand your ground to make progress. But ultimately, a lot of hot air will only contribute to your stress levels. Next on the list is the inability to accept things as they are. Some people don't have the ability to accept things as they are or realize that certain situations are out of their control. If you try to change something that you really can't change, then you will be creating unnecessary stress that you can do without. Plus, all that time spent stressing about it means you will be unable to concentrate on other things that you could be doing, which may make you even more stressed. Following this is the next cause, which is failure to take time out and relax. Being constantly on the go means that you will be in a heightened state of tension all the time and your body will never have the chance to get rid of your stress. Failing to take time out will also reduce your effectiveness in the longer run. Next on the list is the non work related issues. Stress may be caused by a non work related issue such as serious illness in the family, having to care for dependents, a bereavement, moving house, or debt problems. Often these issues are unavoidable and not something that you can readily deal with, but it's worth trying to deal with them rather than putting them off or trying to ignore them. Cause number 8, failure to see the humor in situations. Some people are often able to laugh in the face of adversity, and some to be able to brush aside problems and deal with them effectively. They essentially don't allow themselves to become overly stressed. However, other people may not see the humor in some situations, and this may cause them to be more stressed. Number 9 is particular situations that cause stress. Becoming stressed in some situations is sometimes unavoidable, and inevitably, there are situations in which we can expect to be stressed from time to time, such as in the workplace or when you are stuck in traffic and you need to get somewhere quickly. And the last cause of stress, according to us, could be major life changes. Significant changes in things that we have been accustomed to can be a real cause of stress. For example, changing your job or moving house may be among the most stressful things you will do in your lifetime, which is possibly why most of us try to do it infrequently. Also, the process leading up to the change may be stressful in itself. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video and the other videos on this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also click the notification bell icon. You can also follow me on other social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. In case of any doubt, query, or inquiry, make sure you write to us on the email ID given in the description box. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.